Hi dear students, in our previous class we had completed one chapter, making a mark on stone. Who was the main character in that chapter? Yes, Ratnavali. So what is the speciality of her character? She was very lazy girl. What was her character? She was very lazy and then she did not wish to learn anything. Okay, her mother sent to her many times different schools, but she came back. She don't have any interest in studies. Okay, the last time her mother gave one job to her to fetch water from well. The first time she was very interesting, then day by day she became lazy to fetch water from well. Then from that place she saw a strange sight, the print of her foot she watched on the rock. That time she feels her mind it is very weaker than her mind that can make a mark on stone. So surely when she try, well, she can learn. Then after that she became a good student and then she became a scholar. Okay, then others asked about her the secret of her learning. At that time she said, if we try well, we can earn anything in our life. That is the secret of her change. Next, today let us discuss question answers from the textbook. Page number 29. First question A. Why did Ratnavali find learning difficult? She feels learning was very difficult one. What is the reason? Yes, she was very lazy girl. At the same time, she did not want to learn and then she hated school also. That's why she feels learning was very difficult one. Answer. Ratnavali found learning difficult because she was terribly lazy. She hated school and hated work of any kind. Okay, she hated school and hated work of any kind. Next question. What effort did Ratnavali's mother make to educate her daughter? And her mother, Ratnavali's mother, took one effort to educate her daughter and she sent her to different school, but she came back with that letter, teacher's letters. Then because she did not have any interest in studies. Answer. Ratnavali's mother did not lose heart and decided to send her daughter to different schools to learn. But Ratnavali came back from each school without learning. Her mother did not lose her heart. എന്താണ് ക്ഷമ കൈവിട്ടില്ല. അവർ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് സ്കൂളിലോട്ട് മോളെ വിട്ടു. പക്ഷെ അതുപോലെ തന്നെ രത്നാവലി തിരിച്ചു വന്നു. സോ വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദ റീസൺ? യെസ്, her daughter, she sent her daughter to different schools to learn and Ratnavali came back from each school without learning. Okay, next question. C. What strange sight did Ratnavali see one day? What did she learn from it? One day she saw one strange sight. So from that sight she learned one lesson. She changed her character totally. So what was that sight? Answer. One day Ratnavali saw the imprint of her foot on the rock. She learned that if her foot, which is much weaker than her mind, the foot is much weaker than her mind, can make a mark on stone, then she can certainly gain knowledge by trying. Her mind is, one day she saw the imprint of her foot on the rock. So From that sight, she learned one lesson. Okay, her mind is weaker than her food. That can make a mark on stone. Yes, if she try well, she can learn. ഓക്കെ, നന്നായി പഠിച്ചാൽ എന്താണ്, നന്നായി ട്രൈ ചെയ്താൽ അവൾക്കും പഠിക്കാൻ പറ്റുമെന്നുള്ള യെസ് ആ ഒരു ട്രൂത്ത് ആ ഇംപ്രിന്റിൽ നിന്ന് ആര് പഠിച്ചു? രത്നാവലി. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഡി. What was the secret of Ratnavali's wisdom in life? Wisdom means knowledge. The secret answer. The secret of Ratnavali's wisdom was no one can teach him who does not wish to learn. No one can teach him who does not wish to learn. And if at first you cannot make a mark on stone, rub it again and again. So, no one can teach him who does not wish to learn. ഒരാൾക്ക് പഠിക്കാൻ ആഗ്രഹമില്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്താണ്, നമുക്ക് ഒരിക്കലും അയാളെ ടീച്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയില്ല, പഠിപ്പിക്കാൻ കഴിയില്ല. ഫസ്റ്റ് വി ഹാവ് ടു മേക്ക് എ വിഷ് ഇൻ അവർ മൈൻഡ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് തിങ് ടു ലേൺ. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ്സ് ഓവർ. ദെൻ ഇ. Find words, phrases in the passage which mean the same as the following. Some words and phrases is given. So we have to find the same meaning from the passage. Express indifference and dislike. Shrugged. Okay. Second one, a slight mark or hollow in a surface. Imprint. Third one, to and fro, back and forth. Fourth one, very soon, before long. Next one, complete the story by writing the missing words from the box. One story is given, we have to fill that story. Okay. Some words are given in the box. So we have to select the apt word from the box to complete the story. Okay. Ratnavali was dash different from the other girls as she was lazy and hated any kind of work. Her mother, although unhappy at her daughter's inability to learn, did not lose heart. She sent her to different school, one after and the other. But the girl refused to learn anything. Quite upset, her mother asked Ratnavali to fetch water from the well. The work was so unpleasant that Ratnavali did not like it either and began to regret her folly. As time passed by, the marks made in the stone by Ratnavali's feet during her dash visits to the well, repeated visits to the well, taught her the lesson. Okay, lesson is the apt word. Lesson that completely changed her life. Next, G. Tick the right answer. Question is given and 3 options is given. So we have to select the apt answer, the correct answer. First one, Ratnavali's problem was, 3 options is there. She was very hardworking, she was very lazy, she was very talented. Which one is the correct? She was very lazy. Second one, Ratnavali's mother did not lose hope and 3 options is there. Send her back to her previous class, send her to fetch water, send her to different schools. Which one? She did not lose her hope and send her to different schools. The last question, learning became easy for Ratnavali because options is there. She wanted to learn, she wanted to remain lazy, she wanted to remain foolish. Which one is the correct? She wanted to learn. Our exercise and question answers is over. So, first you have to write exercise in your English textbook, but question answers you have to write in your English notebook. Okay. Then after that, if you have any doubts, you just ask. Okay, dear students. Thank you.